Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at DRA iHeart, which is located in Siroseri, Chennai, a project developed by DRA Homes. And today we'll be doing the project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So basically this project will be constructed on total 3.42 acres of land parcel consisting of single tower with basement ground plus 19 floors having exclusive 3 and 4 BHK sea facing apartments. Now coming to the location part, and the project is located bang on OMR Road in Siroseri, Chennai. Let's discuss about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Siroseri metro station in just 1 minute. TCS is just 2 minutes away from the project, and even you can connect to Marina Mall in 2 minutes from the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part. This project provides you world-class amenities. So let me show you through this 3D model. So basically this is a multi-level car parking. Here's the half basketball court, cricket pitch, multi-purpose court, kids play area, landscape garden. Project will be having grand clubhouse and many more amenities in the project. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project provides you 3 BHK and exclusive 4 BHK apartment with sea facing. Now here, where the units are starting from 1595 to 2927 square feet super built-up area. And now about the booking process. So the project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project miniature. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can directly proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of DRA iHeart located in Siroseri, Chennai, a project developed by DRA Homes.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.